My name is Refik Anadol. I'm a media artist and director. So if you look at entire AI research, it's pretty much focusing on human reasoning and human intelligence, which is amazing. But I also believe that our most intelligent thing, we as humanity, is nature. Is it possible to first of all get a data about nature that is profoundly different than what we have? The project started in an inspiration from Gradient Canopy, using the 4 inspiration biomes of the building as a starting pilot to research on these incredible California biomes and train an AI model on them and try to create an art form that is real-time, ever-changing, in collaboration with many other AI models. One is a Gemini and running on the Google Cloud. This work is not about replacing nature. It's not about simulation or creating an alternative nature. It's about just reminding us how incredible, how important to preserve and protect.